Heartbreaking news of the 15-year-old who died in the Air India 171 crash, the Dreamliner crash. His remains have now been identified. There you can see this video that had gone viral just after the crash took place of his distraught mother. She managed to run from the crash. You can see the flames behind her, but she could not find her son. 15-year-old boy who died in this crash. He was young Akash, and he was just resting under a tree when the plane crashed right near the Ahmedabad airport just after taking off, and he was nowhere to be found. There you can see his distraught mother, and now what we believe is that his remains have been identified. Remember that DNA process is continuing of identifying the remains of those who died. Let's go across to Aishwarya for more. Aishwarya joins us from outside the civil hospital there in Ahmedabad. And Aishwarya, just, you know, that visual of that mother just distraught, frantic, looking for her son who was just sleeping there, resting there. And I couldn't imagine a plane would come crashing down. And now his remains have been identified. Take us through the latest developments.
Well, after 5 days, the DNA samples of Akash has been matched with his mother, who is still in hospital, admitted at the trauma center over here at Civil Hospital in Ahmedabad. These are very, very emotional and heartbreaking videos for the family. This video just surfaced minutes after the plane crashed, and his mother walked away from that particular premises. But Akash was indeed the victim of the terrific plane crash. His body was recovered from the crash site, and the remains were taken to the postmortem room, and after 5 days. And today as well, from the crash site, there are some parts of the bodies are being recovered. It's been continuously, it's a continuous process that the forensic team is undergoing. But in this particular video, we can also see a lone survivor, Mr. Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, who's walking out, and he was taken to the hospital just minutes after this crash. And the Gujarat government has stated that till now it is 132 of the DNA samples that had been matched with the family members. 131 families had been informed about that. More than 76 of the bodies have been handed over to the relatives. And if we're talking about the lone survivor, Vishwas Kumar, then the first ambulance, that the timeline that we have received, reached within 2 minutes of time frame to the location. 37 more ambulances were mobilized, and they reached as well, and then the rescue work began. But Akash Pilani, one 15-year-old boy who was resting under the tree just near the hostel, died in this unfortunate incident. His mother is still admitted at the trauma center, and soon they will receive the mortal remains of 15-year-old boy Akash Pilani.